Welcome to the tutorial video for the Minolta M6000 microfilm reader found in Watson Library at the University of Kansas. To begin, locate the main power switch on the right side of the unit and move it to the on position. Next, locate the secondary power switch on the carrier and also move it to the on position. If you're going to use the computer, turn it on after the Minolta M6000 has completed powering on. Instructions for operating the computer software for the Minolta M6000 are provided on a separate Flash-based tutorial located on the same page as this video. Pull the carrier towards you until the glass flips open. Take note of the notch in the center of the reel, aligning this with the notch on the pole. Use the black knob to adjust if necessary and push the reel onto the pole, ensuring the film comes off the reel in a clockwise fashion. Position the film underneath the white roller. Next, slide the film all the way across the glass. Finally, slide the film into the notch on the receiving wheel as shown. Next, push the carrier so it lines up underneath the lens. These buttons will advance or rewind the film. Use the outer buttons to move quickly, and use the inner buttons to move slowly. Also, if you wish to simply skim through the film automatically, use the browse rocker in conjunction with the speed knob. Use the knob on the lower right corner of the screen to rotate the display. This is sometimes necessary to get the image to display properly. If you need to zoom in on a section of the display, rotate the zoom gear located on the lens. You'll have to refocus the image afterwards, using the focus gear directly above it. When you are finished using the microfilm, pull the carrier back towards you but not far enough to cause the glass to open. Then, use the rewind button to cause the film to launch back onto the reel. Simply tighten up the film and pull the reel off the pole. Then place the microfilm back in its box. If you're using microfiche, the process is similar. Turn your microfiche over as shown, then place it between the glass plates. Then, push the carrier under the lens. You can move the displayed image by grasping the sides of the carrier and moving it along its track. After you're done, simply pull back on the carrier until the glass pops up, remove the microfiche and place it back in its sleeve. Then, simply push on the carrier to close the plates for the next user. Be sure to turn off both power switches after you're done using the machine. Also, if you use the computer, turn it off at this time. Be sure to place your microfilm or microfiche back in a refocused